Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have an amazing video on breading, gluten-free breading with nuts and oats. This time we're using dry oregano, and check it out, it's amazing. Look how easy it comes out. It's so easy to get these leaves off the stem. Amazing. The aroma is out of this world. You would love it. Check that oregano right there. We have some ground nuts and we have some Parmesan. We're going to add everything to the bag and you're going to see first how we get all those leaves off the stems easily. And of course you can do it by hand, but some people might not want to, and we're still going to use the package to keep our breading and make it there. So it's beautiful and amazing. I hope you can hear the birds today right here in this lockdown. I don't know whose car went by, but there are no cars and we can just hear the birds. Beautiful. Check out all the stems that are coming out from the oregano. And that way you separate it in seconds. Takes no time. Same thing with the other herbs. As they dry, it's very easy to get them off their stems and store them as you want. You can store them refrigerated, you can store them outside. If you live in a place that is dry. So here we go. Let's get rid of those stems and let's begin to prepare our breading. It is very easy to make. It keeps. I use my Parmesan that I dice and then process, and I use some ground nuts. Today we have hazelnut meal. It can be almond meal or whichever nut you have. Look at those beautiful herbs, the whole bag full of herbs. The food is going to taste amazing with that. Okay, let's start to put it together. Here we go. There goes first our Parmesan, which is half a cup. Our ground nuts, which are hazelnuts today. There they go. Here we add our gluten-free oats, and we add 2½ cups. Double the oats to 1 of nuts and 1 of Parmesan. And the herbs, we've added half a cup of the dried herbs. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? I wish you could smell it. It's amazing. You can freeze it flat or refrigerate it to create all sorts of food, like the pork chops that you have the recipe for, like the chicken fingers for the kids. And when I do these for the kids, I process this a little more so that they don't see everything in the herb. And it looks just like breading, but it's beautiful, delicious, and very aromatic. Because remember, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi, enjoy!